Welcome to the Enchanting World of Irises. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey through the captivating and diverse world of iris flowers. Irises, scientifically known as iris, are celebrated for their unique and exquisite beauty. These iconic flowers are cherished for their striking appearance, vibrant colors, and rich symbolism. Join us as we delve into the enchanting world of irises. The genus Iris encompasses a wide array of species and cultivars, each with its unique charm. Irises are characterized by their distinctive, petal-like falls and upright, sword-shaped standards. They come in a wide range of colors, including shades of purple, blue, yellow, white, and even bicolor and multicolor varieties. Their intricate patterns and elegant form have earned them a special place in the world of gardening and floral design. Irises carry deep cultural and symbolic significance. They are often associated with meanings of wisdom, courage, and faith, making them popular choices for gardens, bouquets, and floral arrangements. Additionally, irises are renowned for their captivating fragrance, which varies among different iris species and cultivars. Irises are highly regarded in the world of gardening and horticulture. They are a favorite among gardeners for their ability to add elegance, color, and structure to gardens, borders, and cut flower arrangements. Whether grown as perennials or bulbs, irises offer a timeless and enchanting presence in any landscape. One of the most remarkable features of irises is their adaptability to different growing conditions. They can thrive in gardens, rock gardens, water gardens, and even as container plants, making them suitable for a variety of garden environments. Their versatility and wide range of species add to their popularity among gardeners and flower enthusiasts. Efforts are made to conserve native iris species and protect their natural habitats to ensure their survival. In summary, irises are more than just beautiful blooms. They embody the spirit of elegance, wisdom, and the enduring allure of enchantment. Irises are known for their adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from temperate regions to more arid and subtropical zones. Let's explore their remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Irises are versatile and can thrive in regions with temperate, Mediterranean, and even arid climates. Some varieties endure hot summers, while others flourish in cooler conditions. Soil preferences. Irises prefer well-draining soil and are adaptable to various soil types, including sandy, loamy, or clayey soils. They tend to thrive in slightly acidic to neutral pH soils. Watering needs. Irises generally require moderate watering during their growing season. They appreciate consistent moisture but should not be waterlogged. Sunlight requirements. Most iris varieties flourish in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. However, some tolerate partial shade, making them versatile for gardens with varying light conditions. Irises offer a multitude of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various ways to incorporate their enchanting charm into your outdoor space. Garden borders. Plant irises as striking focal points in garden beds, borders, or as foundation plantings, adding a burst of color and elegance to your landscape. Water gardens. Irises are well suited for water gardens, where they thrive along pond edges and provide vibrant reflections in the water. Rock gardens. Some iris varieties, like the dwarf iris, Iris reticulata, are perfect for rock gardens, adding early spring color to rocky terrain. Container gardening. Grow irises in pots and containers to bring their elegance to patios, balconies, and small spaces. It's a great way to showcase specific iris varieties. Cutting gardens. Cultivate irises in cutting gardens, where their elegant blooms can be used for exquisite floral arrangements, adding a touch of enchantment to your home. The versatility of irises empowers you to express your creativity and personal style in landscaping and gardening, whether you choose to create dramatic borders, serene water garden settings, or charming container arrangements. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey into the enchanting world of irises. Irises have captivated gardeners and flower enthusiasts for their striking blooms, vibrant colors, and the timeless beauty they bring to gardens and floral design. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a water garden enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the elegance of irises, may these enchanting flowers continue to bring wisdom, courage, and a touch of enchantment to your life and surroundings.